You guys, today is another video and we are doing a fidget spinner unboxing. Yes, I got two new fidget spinners. I'm just going to show you this because I've already opened it, but I'm going to put it back in the box. This one I haven't opened and I'm not going to show you until I have to open it. This one is the Lamborghini fidget spinner. I'm going to go for £4. And yeah, £4. Look how fast that goes. And now this is the best one. It is our pink glow in the dark fidget spinner. I'll turn the light off, wait. Can you not see it go up? Yeah, almost see it. You see it go up a wee bit. It's going on into that dark. Ah, yeah. I'm going to see you in just I'm going to spin this one on my desk. Red just finished. Look at that. See how this is. Now look how fast that's gone. Wait, what does the pop sockets do? Oh, the pop sockets don't go up. This one. Right, let's do trips. Right, let's go do this. It's this one. Dig into this. And I'm going to put it on this. Oh! It's harder because that one's a Lamborghini one. I will go show you my sister's one if you want it. I'm going to go get my sister and ask her for a fidget spinner to show you. And yeah. Rogan. And here we have my sister's Lamborghini one. There's only £4 in it as well. And she got, see the tinier versions. She got that, and look at this. I will dye my hair blonde for you. See if I can balance this on. And yeah, that's the fidget spinner unboxing. And have fun. Enjoy your evening. Have a good night. And be loyal. Subscribe. If you subscribe, I will do a giveaway. I will give away one of mine. I will buy a fidget spinner, or I will give away one of my wrestling figures for you guys. But because these, I only have two. This is my sister's one. This is my one. I had an army, my sister didn't get me it. Going in pink. And yeah, I love you guys, man. 54 subscribers. 54 subscribers. I thought I said 5 and 4 subscribers. I thought you guys just said 5. Listen, I was looking at all my videos a couple hours ago, and I saw me made the video 515 subscribers. Can we please hit more? And that's all I want to do. My goal this year is trying to hit 100 subscribers. My goal for YouTube is too big, but it is a goal. I want to hit 1k subscribers. That's my goal for YouTube. But if I can get higher than 1k, it'd be 1 million or 5k or even 100k. If we got 5k subscribers, I'd be so shocked. The way that spins. And yeah, so bye.